Hi guys, today I want to introduce you the LED ballast unit of Mazda CX-30. If you have a low beam failure at your Mazda CX-30 and if your headlights are LED type headlights, most probably this ballast unit is faulty and you need to replace it. This is Mitsubishi electric made, to be more precise, LED ballast unit. The Mazda part number for this ballast unit is DFR5-67890. The Mitsubishi electric part number is W003T32071. This ballast unit is used at the Mazda CX-30 models from 2019 till nowadays. Thanks for watching guys, all the best, bye for now.